Good morning, students. Let's begin our social science class. Today I am going to start NCRT Economics chapter Poverty as a Challenge. Today's content, meaning, case study, basis of poverty analysis in terms of social exclusion and vulnerability, and poverty line. Poverty is a situation in which a person is unable to get minimum basic necessities of life, that is, food, clothing, and shelter for his or her subsistence. See the condition of these children. In our daily life, we come across many people who we think are poor. They could be landless laborers in village or people living in crowded juggies in cities. They could be daily wage worker at construction site or child worker in dhabas. They could also be beggars with children in tents. We see poverty all around us. In fact, every fourth person in India is poor. This means roughly 260 million or 26 crore, or recent years maybe the number increase. People in India live in poverty. This also means that India has the largest single concentration of the poor in the world. This illustrates the seriousness of the challenge. Two typical case of poverty, the story of Ram Saran. 33-year-old Ram Saran works at the daily wage laborer in a wheat flour mill near Ranchi in Jharkhand. He manages to earn around rupees 1500 a month. He has to send money home to his parents who live in a village near Ramgarh. Ram Saran lives in a one room rented house in crowded Basti in the outskirts of the city. His wife Shanta Devi works as a part time maid in a few houses and manage to earn another rupees 800. His elder son works as a helper in a tea shop to supplement the family income and earns another rupees 300. His 10-year-old daughter takes care of the younger sibling, none of them going school. The second case study is story of Lakha Singh. Lakha Singh belongs to a small village near Meerut in UP. His family does not own any land, so they do odd jobs for the big uh, farmers at that time. They get paid rupees 50 for a hard day work. The family of 8 cannot always manage 2 square meals a day. The women of the family spend the day chopping fodder and collecting firewood in the field. He had to start earning when he was 10-year old. His father, a TB patient, passed away 2 years ago due to the lack of medication. His mother now suffers from the same disease and life is slowly ebbing away. They show, means both the case study show that poverty means hunger and lack of shelter. Poverty also means lack of clean water and sanitation facilities. Poor people are in a situation in which they are ill treated at almost every space. It also means lack of regular job at a minimum decent level. So these all are the condition those who faced by poverty ridden families. One of the biggest challenge of the independent India has been to bring millions of its people out of this situation. Mahatma Gandhi always insisted that India would be truly independent only when the poorest of its people become free of human suffering. This type of question come as a one mark in exam. Poverty is seen by social scientists. Social scientists look poverty through a variety of indicators. One is common indicator and other is social indicator. What is common indicator? That through the level of income and level of consumption. Whereas social indicators, level of illiteracy, lack of general resistance due to the malnutrition, lack of access to health care and sanitation, lack of access to safe drinking water, these all are social indicators. See the condition of this child. Social exclusion. According to this concept, poverty must be seen in terms of the poor having to live only in a poor surrounding with other poor people, excluded from enjoying social equality or better off in better surrounding. In simple language, people those who are not having essential thing for their life and they live in the worst condition in comparison to other those who are having luxurious life. See the condition, people living in a the worst condition, miserable condition, and their nearby surrounding area also same. Vulnerability to poverty is a measure which describe the greater probability of certain communities, say member of backward caste or individual such as widow or physically handicapped people, or becoming or remaining poor in coming year. Even they hard hit the time of disaster also. Poverty line. Now we are going to see a line through which the category of people below of poverty line, those who are poverty ridden, and above poverty line, try to explain. Poverty line, it is an estimated minimum level of income needed to fulfill basic needs of life. How the poverty line is estimated in India? Poverty line is estimated in India by consumption and income level. What is consumption level? For determining the poverty line in India, a minimum level of food requirement such as clothing, footwear, fuel, light, educational and medical requirement etc. are determined. For subsistence, these physical quantities are multiplied their prices in rupees. The present formula for good requirements, food requirements, while estimating the poverty line is based on desired calorie requirement. Food items such as cereal, pulses, vegetable, milk and sugar together provide these needed calories. The calories needed, yeah, needs vary depending on the age, sex and the type of work that a person does. So now you are going to describe what is consumption level. Here you are going to write the point. The accepted average calorie requirement in India is 2400 calorie per person per day in rural area and 2100 calories per person per day in urban area. So why 2400 calorie for the rural area? Since people living in rural area engage themselves in more physical work, calorie requirement in rural area are considered to be higher than urban area. Second method is income level. In the census year 2011, the poverty line for a person was fixed at rupees 816 per month for the rural areas and rupees 1000 for the urban areas. Please remember, this is according to 2011 census. Urban area 1000 per person per month and 816 per month for rural area people. All right. So the urban area, despite less calorie requirement, the higher amount, because for urban area need more money, the high prices of many essential commodities in urban center. So these all are the estimation level, but according to the practical way, the way poverty line is described, it is not appropriate. A uniform standard for poverty line is also used, which is given by international organization like World Bank. This is equivalent to $1.90 per person per day. The poverty line is estimated periodically, normally every 5 years, by conducting sample surveys. The surveys are carried out by the National Sample Survey Organization NSSO. Question related to the topic: define poverty. What are the two indicators of the poverty according to the social scientist? What does social exclusion and vulnerability mean? What is poverty line and how poverty line estimated in India? State the organization which is responsible for estimating poverty in India. Why is the calorie requirement higher in rural areas? That's all for today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.